All right, folks, here I go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2021 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI rear-wheel drive. Original black on black from factory. The paint does look great. Very sharp, very shiny. Does have some scratches. It does have about 4 door dings, folks, but nothing big or major to worry about. This was a former state trooper highway patrol vehicle. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she doesn't need any repairs whatsoever, folks. She is road ready. She is ready to go to her new home. Let me stop right here, back up real quick. Let me clean this up, sorry. Vehicle does have fresh new window tint. That is going to be 20% all around. Not too dark, not too light, folks, but makes the vehicle look very aggressive, very mean coming down the highway. Vehicle does have factory working backup cameras, backup sensors. Vehicle does have 2 antennas on the trunk lid, 3 antennas on the roof. Those are going to be the actual antennas, folks. They're not going anywhere. They are put, so are the ones on the top. All right, they're going to stay put. On the rear bumper, I do have 2 holes. You guys, that's hole number 1, hole number 2. I'm leaving those alone. Most of my guys are putting lights or refractors to cover those holes, but I'm leaving those alone there for you. Once again, folks, vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed. She doesn't need anything whatsoever, folks, as I already have done it all for you. Vehicle does have a new set of takeoff. Those are going to be the 245 55 18s by Goodyear Eagles RSAs. The ones that came with the vehicle, they were dry rot, so I did replace them. I also did the steel wheel conversion on this unit, so I did remove the full wheel covers that the vehicle came with. And I went with the dog dishes, so the dog dishes are OEM, they are used, so I give you 4 used OEM center caps and 20 new OEM lug nuts that need to be put in place for those wheel covers. Dog dishes. At the same time, folks, I reconditioned the wheels so they do look nice and new all over again, folks. So you guys can see, vehicle does have a new set of brakes and rotors all around as well. Okay. Vehicle does have a nice set of clean OEM headlamps in the front. Vehicle does have a Satina push park, which came with the vehicle upon purchase. Vehicle does have a 1 nice LED working spotlight, folks. Gorgeous looking vehicle. I gotta tell you, when you are on the highway driving this vehicle, it feels like she's just gliding down the highway, folks. Very smooth, nice and fast, very responsive. Let's go inside real quick, folks, show you what I have to work with here. Once again, folks, you are seeing everything through the lens, and I'm walking around making sure I let you know everything there is to know about this vehicle. This is going to be the rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vehicle does have carpet floors, very nice condition, no rips, no tears. Vehicle does have a new set of OEM floor mats. There they are. Vehicle also does have rear working doors, so if you have passengers, they'll be able to exit out on their own. All 4 door panels are in mint condition, no tears, no rips, no holes. Driver's side seat is nice and comfortable. Passenger side seat also nice and comfortable, folks. Just so you guys know, I did replace the steering wheel on this unit. The one that the vehicle came with, I didn't like it. I get pretty picky when it comes to steering wheels, but this one, it's got a new one. All right, there you go. Let's go inside. Vehicle did come with sorry, let me clean this up here for you guys. Vehicle did come with 3 key fobs. I have one here with me. All pressure lights are up. Let me see if I can clean this up here for you guys. Vehicle does have 130,000 miles, folks. Can you guys see that? There you go. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Everything does work in this vehicle. Very nice and cold air conditioner, folks. Let me go ahead and light. Nice and cold air conditioner. You can control everything from the head unit here, and some of the functions are controlled here from the steering wheel. Honk does work. The vehicle does have factory built-in Bluetooth, so you can go ahead and control your phone right through the vehicle. Also, the vehicle does have working USB and aux here, and yes, it does have CarPlay. So once you connect your wire, you'll have your phone screen here, folks. What you see is what you're gonna get. Let me step it up here. LED does work. Ticket light, red, white, does work. What else? New carpet, folks. New carpet. New OEM carpets. All right, this is the trunk. Vehicle does have a full-size spare tire. Floor jack over there. Slide out, sliding table does come out here, but it's in place right now. Oh, there you go. Now it's locked. All right, there you go. Let's get under the hood. Folks, as you guys can see, the vehicle does have a brand new OEM coolant tank reservoir tank. I'm sorry for the bloopers already. With new OEM Mopar coolant. Vehicle does have new air filter, throttle body oil service and clean out. Vehicle does have 16 new OEM irradiance spark plugs. Full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Filter was replaced as well. Transmission was serviced, and this is going to be the CEF transmission in the 2021 models. Those do have the CEF 8-speed transmission. Make sure you do use OEM fluids and filter pan on this one, please. Cabin filter was replaced as well. Vehicle does have new battery for that department. It was tested and it is healthy. Dry belt tensioner are in good condition, so I went ahead and left those alone. Suspension is nice and tight. Air conditioner is nice and cold. Vehicle doesn't have any funny noises, no funny ticks, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks. Let me be quiet so you can hear the engine. All right, folks, there you have it. Vehicle does have new brakes and rotors all around. By Performance Friction is what I'm using on this one. They are heavy duty, so I'm giving the vehicle the same thing that came out of it. One last final look here, folks. If you are in the market looking for a great looking vehicle in immaculate running condition and shape, folks, I have the car just for you. I do apologize for my mistakes here as I walk around the vehicle. If you are looking for a cheap Charger, you don't care how the car looks, how it feels, folks, this is not the car for you. I am getting a lot of phone calls, customers telling me, hey, the car is not worth $1 over $9,000. Hey, if that's the case, try going to an auction. see how that goes for you. If you do buy from me, just know that everything has been done, and all you have to do is just gas up and drive her home. Everything does work. Vehicle does have a clean and clear title, no accidents. I did print it. I did rent the Carfax. I printed that out, and I also do have the window sticker for this vehicle. If you should have any questions, comments, concerns, or you are interested in buying this vehicle, please do not hesitate to make contact. I do not know how long these vehicles are going to remain online, so if you see something, please reach out. Let's talk. Once again, if you are looking for a cheap Charger that you don't care how it looks or feels, this is not it. All right, just know that if you're buying from me, you're buying quality. That's what I'm offering you. All right, so 7 days ago this vehicle was listed. I did put another YouTube video from this vehicle when she first arrived. Let me tell you, vehicle has been completely transformed, and this is the final product right here, folks. This is what I'm giving you. I couldn't do it any other way. All right, I gotta go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me for these 12 minutes. I do appreciate your time, and please have a great weekend. Be safe. God bless and take care.